morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to pick the winner of our... Here, let me press record so you get to see everything I do. Here we go. This is the small giveaway of our EARTHHERO 100% plant-based reusable food wraps. It is so important to be able to take care of our planet, especially today. You see plastic gloves everywhere. We all have to do our best to make this a better planet, not just for us, but for our kids. And this is one way you can do that, is by stop using cello wrap or plastic wrap to seal your food. You could actually use these beautiful cloths, and you can wrap your food, put it in the refrigerator, and it stays nice and fresh. You could actually even take your cloth and just fold it, and you could tuck a nice sandwich in there for your kids. Very easy to use. And it's a small giveaway, but it's a giveaway from the heart. And I think it's important that we all do our best to help the planet. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the URL of this video, copy, and we're going to go to our random picker. Now, if you're new to my channel, what I do is I use a random picker where I put the address right there, and it's going to tell me how many people commented. It wasn't much, but you know what? It doesn't matter. More of you have a better chance to win this product. So it says we had 90 unique commenters. So I'm going to press start, and it's going to give me my first winner. And the winner of the first prize is Jan Weiss. And Jan said, I have looked at this type of wrap before, but wasn't sure if it would work. But if you say it does, that's good enough for me. Love that it's vegan and no beeswax. Love that it's environmentally friendly, and love that it is so pretty to look at. I am so glad I found your channel. Cannot tell you how much I enjoy watching your videos and how much I have had with your recipes. I have been vegan for 3 years now, and my only regret is that I didn't do it earlier. Trust me, Jan, I've been now vegan for over 14 years, and I regret not doing it sooner. So congrats for your 3 years, and congrats that you won a package of these food wraps, and then you can tell me how you like it. So congratulations. Okay, ready guys? We're going to pick winner number 2. And number 2 winner is Joe Quinlan. I hope I pronounced your name right. And another great giveaway, Connie. I love it. Best of luck to everyone. So congratulations, Joe. You are winner number 2. Here we go, guys. We're going to go pick number 3. And number 3 winner is Jane Borali. And it says, I really hope I make the difference every day. Thank you, Connie and EARTHHERO. Congratulations, Jane. You are winner number 3. So there you go, guys. Now, all you have to do is go back to my video. And if you go where under my video, under the description where it says show more, right there you will find for business contact 2 emails that you can email me your address, and I will send them out to you. And I'm going to put a little extra something in there because I want to say I love you, and I want you to have something that I made that's also environmentally safe. So congratulations, guys. I love you all. It was a little giveaway, but you know what? Maybe the next one's a little bigger. So congratulations, guys. And guess what? Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.